The next step is to create the S that goes in the middle of the logo. Now before you start with this, select your pen tool, but if you turn your fill colour off by clicking the one with the red line through it, and I would set your stroke colour to be a colour that you haven't used, so I'm just going to set it to be a green for this, and you'll find in a minute that'll make things easier to draw. So you can now start with your pen tool. Remember, you're going to have a mixture here of curved and straight lines. So to get your straight line, it's just a simple click. For curved line, you just click and hold. To get a straight line from a curved line, or to curve in an opposite direction, click back on the point and you can draw that shape. Now again, don't matter here if it's not perfect. The idea is that you're getting a rough shape and you can adjust the anchor points a little bit later. So you should have a good idea now of where to click in order to get the shape that you want, and it's just a case of working around to get that shape. So we've got another straight line here, look, so I can click and I can begin to curve that around. So work your way around and get your shape built up. When you're coming close to the end, don't forget to close your path. All you've got to do is click back on that original anchor point. You'll know that you're doing this because you'll see this little circle up here, and that'll give you your shape. What you can then do is you can select the shape and you can turn off the outline, the stroke, and you can select the fill colour and set that to be red as well. So you'll see, if I zoom out now, we have our S, and if we position that over the top of this, you'll see that that fits perfectly. Now the idea with this, don't forget, is that you do want part of it to actually go over the edge of this, because that's what happens in the Superman logo. So position that so that it's just overlapping, and you can always nudge it with your arrow tool if you need to, so you'll have something that looks like that.